This is the York County Assistance Office, and we are doing the ALS Ice Water Bucket. We are nominating Philadelphia CAO, Lancaster CAO, Tom Strickler, and staff. Enjoy! Nobody PR!
You want to watch it?
Okay, sweetie, the chips are all put away. We'll get you some chips on the way home. Can you, Joan, why don't you take her back to the car while I get dried off? All right, go back to the car with Daddy, and then Mommy will be over in a minute, okay? I'm sorry. Oh, you have to hold me across.
Hold on, as soon as I start bucket up, I'll start walking away.
All right, go with Daddy, and I'll be over in a second once I'm dressed, okay?
All right, just watch out for the camera.
All right, Peanut. I'll be over to the car in 1 minute, okay?
Yeah, I don't know what you're welcome. Yeah, I gotta get my
Yeah, just a little, huh? You want to give me a hug, Patty?
Patty, what happened?
She's saying, I am black.
On a Friday. That's a payday.
These things stop automatically?
No, you have to press stop on the side, same button you originally pressed.
All right.